HPSC PGT Recruitment 2024. Date equals the 25th of July to the 14th of August 2024. Vacancy equals 3069 postgraduate teachers PGT. Fees equals Gen male other state male 1000 रुपए per. Gen female other state female SC BCA BCB ESM EWS 250 rupees per. PH pod HR 0 रुपए per. Age equals 18 to 42 years. Qualification equals postgraduate PG Jor B.Ed. Jor HTET qualified. The Haryana Public Service Commission HPSC has released the notification for the recruitment of 3069 postgraduate teachers PGT in the Education Department, Government of Haryana. The HPSC PGT notification 2024 has been released on the 23rd of July 2024 and the online applications will be accepted from the 25th of July to the 14th of August 2024, up to 5 p.m. The eligible candidates can apply online for the HPSC PGT vacancy 2024 from hpsc.gov.in for the PGT vacancies in the rest of Haryana and Mewat Cadre. The application portal for the HPSC PGT recruitment 2024 has been opened on the 25th of July 2024. The direct link to apply online for the HPSC PGT vacancy is given below. HPSC PGT Recruitment 2024 Overview. Recruitment Organization. Haryana Public Service Commission HPSC. Post Name Postgraduate Teacher PGT. ADVT. No 182024237202. Total vacancies 3069. Notification date 23 July 2024. Category HPSC PGT Notification 2024 Official website hpsc.gov.in. Important dates. The HPSC PGT Notification 2024 has been released on the 23rd of July 2024. The online application form for the HPSC PGT vacancy 2024 will be accepted from the 25th of July to the 14th of August 2024, up to 5 p.m. The exam date will be notified later by the Commission. Application fees. The application fee for the HPSC PGT post varies category-wise as given below. Gen male other state male 1000 रुपए per. Gen female other state female SC BCA BCB ESM EWS 250 rupees per. PH pod HR 0 रुपए per. Payment mode online. Vacancies eligibility. Age limit. The age limit for HPSC PGT vacancy 2024 is 18-42 years. The crucial date for the calculation of the age limit is the 14th of August 2024. The age relaxation will be given as per the rules of the government. Qualification. Postgraduate PG Jor B.Ed. Jor HTET qualified. HPSC PGT vacancy 2024 selection process. The selection process for HPSC PGT vacancy 2024 includes the following stages. Prelims written exam qualifying. Mains written exam 87.5% weightage. Interview 12.5% weightage. Document verification. Medical examination. How to apply. Visit the HPSC's official website hpsc.gov.in. Click on the Advertisements section in the menu bar. Click on the Apply Online button in front of the ADVT. Number 18 to 37 of 2024 Postgraduate Teachers PGTS in various subjects for rest of Haryana Cadre and Mewat Cadre. Duly fill up the HPSC-PGT application form and upload the required documents. Pay the application fee and submit the HPSC-PGT application form. Current Affairs, GK ट्रिक और करंट जॉब्स अपडेट के लिए लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब चैनल।